This is advertised as the servo for the JJRC 126 scale monster truck, and as you can see, it came with a servo arm, a ball link, and a servo mount. This is amazing. Well, and it is pretty cheap. Pretty cheap. I paid like $6 for this, I guess. I have to shake it up because I'm not sure. I will have some link down below, but this is great. Wow, I'm surprised actually. Let's try it. From end to end, pretty rapid response. Yeah. Well, there it is. If you're looking for something to replace the WLtoys servo, this is a very good one. This is a very good replacement. First, one of the servo mounting bracket got chopped off from the factory, and the other thing is it doesn't center very well. Coming back from one side is a little bit different than coming back from the other side. Thanks for watching. See you next time.